Lord. This is my CNN Herald, people. So, Herald, I need your help. This is my 5th time since 2009. And I come home here not feeling well just to meet them. So, it's up to you to make a decision. Thank you very much, and I will continue to do this for the rest of my life. This is my mission.
Dito ka po.
So the people need help. Really need help, you Mr. Copper. And then Harold needs help. These people here need help. Please help them. I need some support from you guys. Okay. How can I afford to do this every month? Oh, Eros, help me. Okay, I will give this camera to the person.